So we're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart.
So this is my August Ipsy bag, and this is a beautiful green bag, and that is the Angle Shadow Brush E1 by SLMISSGLAM. It's a beautiful brush. And now I'm opening up the bag and let's see what's inside. So that is the Jelly Shot Lip Quencher in Exchange by INC.REDIVLE. It's very nice. I'll kind of show you what it looks like later. Next we have the Suva Beauty eyeshadow in Barbecue. It's a beautiful purple. I'll show you all of that later. And next we have Adesse All Day Lip Cream in Beverly Blvd. It's a beautiful plum color. I'll show you that later as well. And then we have the card that kind of gives you all the info on what's in the bag. Just a simple, cute little card. Alright, so next we have or Causemetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Brynn. It's beautiful, nice wand, and I'll be showing you all of that later. And that's it. Overall, I really love this bag. This is my first Ipsy bag ever, and I was very shocked at how great all the products were. I like not trying new stuff, so this was a good start. So this is the lip quencher. I did try it on my lips. It's soft, smooth, and it does hydrate the lips. It retails at Sephora for $10. So that was a nice little addition to the bag. I really like that it has a flower in it. I thought that was so cute. And this is me kind of giving you a little close-up of it. I really liked it. So next, I'll be looking at the Suva Beauty eyeshadow. I personally could not find it on Suva Beauty website, but the other single shadows retail for $11. So that's to give you a little idea what it costs. Watch me struggling right now to open this. There you go. It's a beautiful purple shimmer eyeshadow. It's very nice. I really like how it feels. I'm gonna give you a little swatch on my hand, so as I struggle to try to do it. Okay, I probably should cut this out, but I can't. So there you go. A cute little swatch, you know. I like it. I haven't tried it on my eyes just yet. I only tried it on my hand. Okay, this is one that kind of surprised me. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I see that it retails on Adesse for $24. Yes, $24. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful plum. I did try it on. You do need to do it kind of swipe it like maybe like 2 times for it to fully cover your lips, but other than that, it's very soft and creamy, and it's a beautiful color. I didn't think that it was gonna suit me at all, but I stand corrected. Okay, and next is the mascara. I did not try, but it looks amazing. I like the wand, so I'm just trying to open it right now so you can see the wand. I like that it didn't clump up when I pull it out, because a lot of mascaras, they kind of like clump up, and I hate that. So I saw that and I was like, ooh, that's nice. This one does retail for $24 as well. Okay, now that is the SLMISSGLAM angle brush in E661. I could not exactly find what collection it was in. I couldn't exactly find what collection it was a part of. But I see that they had like a lot of different ones, and they're actually very cute. Like I would check her out. I think it's SLMISSGLAM. I don't think I'm pronouncing this right, but it's SLMISSGLAM. And I see that she's a YouTuber. Oh, she's a YouTuber and beauty guru. Her name is Stephanie Lewis. Her brushes are really cute. I couldn't find, as I was saying before, I kind of got off track. I could not find what collection they were from, but her price range is on our website seems to be between $25 to like $60, I believe. So if you're but those are sets. I didn't really see much single ones. If they are, I overpassed them. But other than that, I really like this bag. It was a very good impression for me. I am so excited to see what next month will be like. I will try to maybe put them up a little earlier than before, because this was my first time. I ordered it on the 13th and it came on the 27th of August. But this is my first first month of subscription, so I'm excited to see what else is there. And if you are a part of Ipsy, just let me know how you like your bags and what kind of products did you get. All right, thank you for watching.